Where are we today, Katie?
Pin drop.
Pin drop Tuesday at Animal Kingdom. So we got here at 7. We waited in line until 8 for park opening. And we just got done with our purchases. It's 8:45. And the new Hidden Mickey bags dropped today. Woohoo! 5 per person.
5 per person.
5 per person.
Alright, first of all,
yeah, what do we
we
get?
can talk about the Magical Theater one.
This one's really cool. I like this one.
Cute. Yeah,
I
that's
like that one.
We got 2 of those. And then we got the Figment. And the eyes like that couple.
Annual pass holder pin. That's a big one. They both are kind of big, actually.
Yeah, 2 of those as well.
And Katie is opening 1 bag. 1 right now. I don't know what the plan is for the rest of them. 1. 1 right now.
That's so stupid.
All right, 2. That is the max.
Okay, mine too. This one feels lucky.
All right.
All I have is an orange bird bus and a Thunder Mountain Castle, so.
Did you get a super chaser?
I got a chaser.
No, you did
Yes,
not.
I did. First packet, it's a chaser.
Whoa.
This is the chaser Figment cupcake. Okay.
Holy
Ooh.
Hannah
I
banana.
wonder what comes with the cupcakes, actually. Oh my god, Dory!
Oh,
Perfect! Oh my god, guys. First one's a chaser.
I know.
Oh my god. Okay. And more. I don't know this one. This one's calling me. This one's calling me. First up.
You got a chaser again? You did not.
I either just got the chaser or the super chaser.
What? There's no way.
I just got the super chaser.
Feeling lucky.
What? Look how beautiful it is.
It is a really pretty one.
Oh my.
Hold it up again.
I just got the freaking super chaser. No one's
The
around.
ducks are gonna hear you.
What? What? Okay. And a Wilderness Lodge castle.
Oh, I love that castle.
Yes, very, very cutie. But what?
Dad said she opened without us.
Yes. And it's good I did because I would have opened different bags at home.
Mm.
I'm like taken aback because it's like I just pulled like the hardest one. Like I'm not gonna have to like trade for like.
And that's funny because you need like all super chasers for your old sets.
No, I just need 1 super
Oh.
chaser. Each series has 1 super chaser.
Mm.
But like Hatbox Ghost, guys. And Figment cupcake.
That's crazy. Are you putting them in your pin box or are you still sitting here in shock?
I'm just like what are the odds?
I don't know.
Like genuinely, why am I so lucky?
Oh, look at the babies. There's 2 babes. Oh, look at those little babies. Hi, little babies. Oh, 3 little babies. Aren't you just the sweetest little things? Oh. Where are your parents? You're just here all alone? What are we doing, Kate?
You're not doing anything.
What are you doing, Kate?
I'm gonna go single rider Everest.
Yeah, she was falling asleep at the table while we were eating breakfast, so she needs a little adrenaline rush.
Yeah.
I'm not riding it because I don't like that ride.
He's living the life.
He was coming in.
Right? That guy was living the life on the scooter. He was zipping by. A nice wide open track for him. Let me tell you, that one time I rented a scooter because my foot was hurt at Epcot, when you get out in the areas where there's nobody walking around and you can go flying on the scooter, it's pretty great. Leia wants epic eats.
We haven't had this yet. We've only been here for the Jollywood night.
That's true.
I want
What do you want?
cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream funnel cake?
Ooh. Cookie butter cold foam. Yeah, I want that too.
You want that too? All right, fine. Yeah, it's got cold brew coffee with cookie butter cold foam. Cookie butter. Mom might not like that.
She'll like the coffee.
Yeah.
I'll
So
sip up all the- I'll sip
you'll
up all
drink
the
all the cold foam? Okay.
It's hot out today.
Let's see your coffee.
Yeah, we need. This is chocolate. We need to eat it fast.
Oh, the hat's chocolate, yeah. How is it?
I like the cold foam.
Yeah. You're drinking it oddly.
I just don't know what these are. What are they supposed to be?
They're like treasure. They look like Rice Krispies.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you won't like
Do you like the epic cold brew? Yes or no?
Yep.
Do you know what's on top though?
No.
Cookie butter cold foam.
And Mom hates cookie butter. Katie thinks the dough's a little undercooked. She might be right.
It looks a little
I like the color
undercooked.
now. You wanna try it?
Oh, it's
Have a napkin.
That's undercooked for sure.
No,
Napkin.
it's edible. I prefer it cooked a little more, but it's fine.
You picked these out. Are you feeling lucky? 1, 2, 3. All right, these are the ones I have.
The A series that you already got. Wow, because you traded a bunch off of boards too, right?
Yep. First one. Okay. Is that the contemporary?
Yeah, I'd say so. Why?
That's a chaser. That's a chaser.
Contemporary's a chaser?
99%
That's
sure.
got to be the contemporary, right?
If it's the contemporary.
What are the other
that's the
choices?
chaser.
They're all based on resorts, right? It's got to be. What else could it be?
Yeah, it's the chaser.
You got a
I
chaser
got
on
a
your
frickin'
first pull.
chaser.
What was the other
My
one in the
luck has
bag?
I don't know, I haven't pulled yet. Dude, my luck has been crazy today. Okay. And Star Tours ears, which I do need those.
Star Tours
that's
years.
what Leia
Isn't that
traded
Leia already had from like when it came out just early to the
Traded
cast
in,
members or something?
Okay. Yo, I have 3 chasers. First one. What's her?
What'd you get?
Do
You
you want to
got
put these in there so they don't...
Purdy
Nope, it's a cupcake, but
cupcake that you don't have yet.
I don't
Mickey.
have Mickey cupcake. Take that too. First one.
Triple chaser.
Tiana Bus.
You don't
I don't have Tiana Bus. And a chip that I need. This is great.
I'm trying to see this one. This one's hard to see the colors. He's like in the leaves or something.
So now I'm pretty sure all I need is the chaser of
The bus, yeah.
the buses.
Who's that? Which bus is this?
Maleficent.
Ooh, that's a good one. Did you guys see the 6.5 foot animatronic Maleficent you can buy at Home Depot right now?
No.
Do you want to buy it?
He's thinking about
I
it.
kind of, but I'm not going to. It's like $300.
He wouldn't even let himself have the
She
$25
moves and
figure.
talks, and she's got her staff, and the crow is on the staff, and he caws and moves his beak or whatever. What'd you say, Jody?
You said you wouldn't even let yourself have a $25 figment pin.
Yeah, but that's I don't collect pins. But a life-size animatronic in my little Disney room,
In
just
your room?
in the corner there.
No, absolutely not.
In the corner by all the Disney stuff plugged in, and she's working all the time.
No.
You're yelling.
No?
No, we could bring it out for Halloween.
No, it's for use indoors only. It says.
It does not say that.
It does. No, it actually legit does.
Really?
It says for indoor use.
Inside. A 6 foot tall thing inside.
The guy who has a room with a shelf full of Disney
That is
stuff.
not your room.
How much was it?
That's not my room.
No, that is going to. We need some seating in there.
Yeah, and when we're seated in there, we can converse with Maleficent.
Oh, we went to at Christmas. We could barely fit in there the last time.
Yeah, she'll be right next to the tree.
I've opened 6 bags now, right? 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, 6
And
bags.
I've gotten 3 chasers.
Chase. Wow, and one of them's a super chaser.
Yeah. My luck is crazy. Very, very good.
That's pretty good.
What? The funnel cake or her chasers?
Both. Both.
I can't.
I want another bite, and I need a little ice cream.
Just take it. Just take it. Just take it. Are you serious?
What? What'd you say?
I haven't gotten any chaser.
No, you haven't.
But
But you don't collect that set anyway.
no, but I could.
From the Chip and Dale one.
I could.
But they don't have a chaser.
That one doesn't have a chaser.
You know what I could do?
Oh, the Chip and Dale has a chaser too?
It's
Oh.
Christmas.
Oh.
This is how the list is looking. And let's
Wow. First day, and you have that many pins already?
Yep. Let's
Oh,
say-
because you got some off of boards too,
yeah,
right?
Let's say I pull the Maleficent bus, okay? And you have the Chip and Dale chaser. Would you trade me for the Chip and Dale chaser? Yeah, I would do it just to help you.
You have that camera?
I got it on camera.
Unless I already have it.
the Maleficent
Unless
bus.
I already have the Maleficent bus, then your answer is no. But if I don't have the bus and I have this, then yes.
And Katie wants Backlot Express. She wants to try these honey buffalo chicken strips with ranch.
Alright. Honey buffalo.
Honey buffalo?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty good. I mean, the fries are typical McDonald's style fries, but those tenders look pretty good.
They smell really good.
Katie's chicken strips are really good. I had a bite, very good. They're scaffolding up the Future Monsters Inc. Destroying Muppets. There's the concept art. That's Kylo Ren. It's been a while since we've ridden this.
You know how long it's been since we've ridden it, all four of us?
It's been a very long time.
Like more than 2 years.
Really? They haven't gone on it at all when we've been
don't think
since we
so.
moved? So you don't normally ride Smuggler's Run. What'd you think? You're the gunner. If you're not the pilot, it's not the same thing.
Okay, maybe, but even
But also, you were spamming the gun. You don't want to do that, so that's why your accuracy is so low. You only want to shoot it when it lights up when you need to shoot it.
It was always kept lighting up.
Oh.
It was the whole time. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You did.
I never had a break, really.
Oh.
What did you not like about it?
It was so jostly, and then like I was.
I
trying
love
to,
that part.
I was trying to pay attention and like follow the story, and every time I would look, it'd be a jostle, and then I turn my head away because I can't do it, and then I'm like gripping my like I'm trying to shoot, but I'm gripping like my leg, and I'm just like.
Gripping your leg?
Because I thought I was gonna like.
Why?
It just makes me so sick.
Me too.
You guys
The
Star Tours
jostle, and then
next?
if you look
Star
up,
Tours?
No.
Yeah. Talk about jostling.
Alpha 2, please report to Command Center Comms.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Immigration at Sunset Boulevard. They cover the crew.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
girls, of course, went on Tower of Terror. Good way to end the night. There's nothing like walking us down Sunset Boulevard after the park is officially closed. Enjoying the music
No dancing.
that Jodi wouldn't even dance with me to. It was the Cap and Peggy song, and she wouldn't even dance with me. So we'll just mosey on out of here, I guess.